Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Let's scroll through the feed and try to find video that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this one. You want to click the share button on the video itself. Then I want you to click on copy link, the blue icon over here. After we copy the link, you want to Google for this app over here, snaptik.app. You want to come over here and you want to paste the link that we just copied, right? Then you want to hit download. After a while, a couple of ads as usual, you will find that this is the video that we actually paste, right? And you're able to download the video in different formats. This is how you download TikTok videos. There are other apps you can use out there. For example, I can show you this app is getting a little popular as well, SSS Tick. So the same process, you can simply paste the link that we just copied and same thing, hit download. It's all based on personal preference. The option over here is that you can actually download it without watermark, and you can download without watermark without in HD, right? This is essentially how it works, guys. You want to make sure that you're clicking on legitimate links, okay? They might be above or underneath some ads, so I want to make sure that you're very careful where you're clicking and how you're proceeding on these different platforms. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.